Tire wrapping machine. Right off the bat, check out this machine doing something so simple, yet so satisfying. It wraps tires in plastic for shipping. No fancy robot arms, no buzz or sparks, just smooth, clean wrapping action. The tires rotate gracefully as the film circles them like a tight hug. It's not just about appearance. This process ensures each tire stays protected during shipping and arrives clean, untouched by dust or moisture. It's fast, consistent, and exactly what every tire needs before hitting the road, literally. Mattress compression machine. Now here's a genius move to save space. The mattress compression machine takes full-sized mattresses and compresses them like a giant hydraulic press for comfort foam. What once took up half a delivery truck now fits into a neat, manageable package. It's all about efficiency. No damage to the mattress, just smart packaging. Imagine a massive soft bed squished into a tight roll and ready to go. It's oddly satisfying to watch and incredibly practical for logistics. Automated pallet loading cement truck. Next up, automation meets brute force. This truck doesn't just drive. It loads pallets, mixes cement, and then pours it out, all on its own. No manual labor, no waiting around for someone to press buttons. The system takes care of the entire process with calculated movements that look like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Watching the mortar flow from the machine with exact proportions at just the right angle feels like watching a robot chef plating a gourmet dish. High-precision metal ring packaging machine. Packaging metal rings might sound straightforward, but the level of accuracy in this machine is next level. These aren't regular rings. They're high-quality, industrial-grade pieces. The machine grabs, stacks, adjusts, and packages each one like clockwork. Everything is synced to perfection, ensuring that not a single ring is out of place. It's one of those machines that makes you appreciate how much detail goes into the little things we take for granted. Bottle capping machine. Pop, twist, clamp, repeat. This machine caps bottles at lightning speed. One after another, the caps drop, grip, and twist perfectly into place. The bottles keep flowing, and the rhythm never skips a beat. There's something mesmerizing about the motion. The way each bottle is sealed tight without even a hint of error gives major industrial satisfaction vibes. No spills, no loose caps, just perfect execution. Wine bottle wax sealing machine. Let's talk about elegance and automation. This machine takes wine bottles and dips the tops into red wax for that signature vintage look. The movement is smooth and precise, like dipping strawberries into chocolate. Each bottle comes out looking handcrafted, but it's all done by machine. The red wax drips down just enough, forming a seal that's both functional and aesthetic. It's automation with flair. Metalwork and industrial processes. Hydraulic can press. Crushing cans might sound destructive, but in a good way. The hydraulic press here takes in massive piles of empty aluminum cans and flattens them like pancakes. There's no hesitation, just raw force. The crunch, the collapse, the total transformation from bulky to compact is pure industrial ASMR. It's all about reducing volume and prepping those cans for recycling or reuse. Nothing wasted, everything optimized. Electromagnetic induction welding machine, copper pipes. Next, this machine turns copper pipes into flawless welded units using electromagnetic induction. No flames, no traditional welding tools, just a magnetic field doing all the work. The result? Seamless joins that look like they were never apart to begin with. Watching the copper glow and bind together is pure eye candy for anyone who enjoys precision engineering. It's high-tech, clean, and impressively quick. CNC precision milling machine. If precision had a face, it would look like a CNC machine. Watching this thing in action is like watching a laser surgeon at work. The cuts are exact, the movements robotic, and the final product, flawlessly machined. Whether it's cutting, drilling, or shaping, there's no room for mistakes here. Just sheer accuracy, down to the millimeter. Every movement has purpose. Every turn is intentional. Metal rod to spring converter. This process is seriously cool. A hot metal rod gets fed into a machine, twisted and shaped into a perfect spring. You can literally see the transformation. Rigid, straight bar goes in, coiled perfection comes out. It's quick, heated, and full of kinetic energy. There's something magical about seeing raw metal come alive like that. Induction hardening machine. Strength matters, and this machine knows it. Using intense heat generated by induction, steel components get hardened to last longer and perform better. It's like giving metal armor. The process is sleek. No open flames, just controlled heating followed by rapid cooling. It's all about boosting durability without compromising shape or dimensions. Toughness perfected. Metal sheet to roofing sheet machine. What starts as a flat metal sheet is quickly turned into structured corrugated roofing. It's like watching paper fold into origami, only it's thick metal and powerful rollers doing the bending. Every groove is precise, every fold designed for maximum strength. It's one of those satisfying processes that shows the beauty of industrial design in motion. Nail manufacturing machine. Now here's something that looks simple but is anything but. Nails are made by the thousands. Cut, shaped, and pointed with such speed, you'd think the machine was on a mission. The wire gets pulled in, clipped, formed, and spat out, nail after nail, without missing a beat. Every single one is identical. It's not just about making nails, it's about making millions of them with flawless consistency. Steel bar straightening machine. Bent or twisted metal pipes, no problem. This machine grabs them and straightens them out instantly, like an industrial chiropractor. Watching warped steel snap into a perfectly straight form in seconds is incredibly satisfying. It's not about brute force, though. It's about precision pressure, applied exactly where it's needed. The bars roll in crooked and come out looking factory fresh, as if the bends never existed. The machine's structure is rock solid, built to handle continuous operation without losing alignment or heating up excessively. It's built for endurance, not just occasional fixes. Safety features are built in too, automatic shutdowns if something jams, and protective covers to keep hands away from the rollers. The real beauty is that it can handle a variety of metals, not just steel. Aluminum, copper, and even tougher alloys bend to its will. That kind of flexibility makes it an essential part of any serious fabrication or repair operation. Watching the transformation happen in real time feels a bit like straightening a bent straw, only way tougher and a lot more impressive. Once the bars are out, you'd never guess they had been damaged in the first place. And all of this happens in a matter of seconds. It's the kind of machine that quietly saves time, money, and materials without ever demanding the spotlight. Just efficient, repeatable brilliance, one perfectly straight bar at a time. Cement powder compression block maker. This one transforms dry, powdery cement into solid building blocks with zero mess and full force. It compresses the powder so tightly that it hardens instantly into durable, ready-to-use blocks. It's like magic. Dust goes in, bricks come out. This process is a cornerstone of modern construction, and it all starts with this beast of a machine. Construction and heavy machinery. Tree transplanting excavator with 6-shovel attachment. Say goodbye to chainsaws. This excavator can lift entire trees with their roots intact. The 6-shovel attachment wraps around the tree, digs it out from all sides, and lifts it cleanly for replanting somewhere else. It's one of those rare machines that's both powerful and gentle. Saving trees never looked this high-tech. Excavator replacing concrete under train tracks. Maintaining train tracks just got a massive upgrade. This clever attachment removes old concrete blocks under rail lines and replaces them with new ones, quickly and precisely. There's no lifting rails, no dismantling sections, just surgical swaps using raw machine control. It's the kind of precision you'd expect from a watchmaker scaled up to construction size. The real magic lies in how smoothly it works around active infrastructure. Trains don't need to be delayed for hours or rerouted. This machine gets in, does the job, and clears out with minimal disruption. The operator controls every movement with pinpoint accuracy, guiding the tool under the rails like threading a needle. Old concrete ties are gripped and pulled gently, not jerked, so nothing shifts out of alignment. Then, like clockwork, a fresh concrete block slides into place, locking in as if it had always been there. The machine's alignment system checks spacing and height automatically to ensure the new blocks fit perfectly within the rail bed. It's all about keeping the track geometry intact, because even a slight deviation can affect train stability. What used to take a crew of workers an entire day now takes just minutes per section. It's an incredible time saver, especially during emergency repairs after heavy use or bad weather. And because the process is mechanized, there's far less physical strain on workers, which means fewer injuries and more consistent results. Even in tight or uneven terrain, this machine adapts, adjusting grip strength and angle in real time. Excavator dismantling railway tracks. Ever wondered how old railway lines get torn down? This rugged excavator pulls them apart like they're made of Lego. Each tug, each lift, and each drop is calculated. It's not just chaos, it's controlled deconstruction. Fast, efficient, and incredibly strong. Log rounding machine. Logs aren't naturally perfect cylinders, but they can be. This machine takes in uneven logs and spins them into smooth, round poles. Whether it's for fencing, furniture, or industrial use, the process is clean and fast. Watching a rough log turn into a sleek post is surprisingly satisfying. Concrete drain cleaner machine. Here's a maintenance marvel. This machine clears out concrete drains using a special attachment. No need for manual digging or flushing. It gets into tight spaces, removes sludge, and keeps drainage systems flowing freely. Fast, effective, and way less messy than the old school methods. Soil-sucking roadside collector. Forget shovels. This machine sucks up soil like a massive industrial vacuum. Roadside dirt, sand, or loose debris gets lifted and stored cleanly, leaving a tidy strip behind. It's not flashy, but it's essential, especially for roadwork and landscaping where cleanliness and efficiency are key. What makes this setup so impressive is the speed. It clears long stretches in a fraction of the time manual labor would take. No more backbreaking digging or dealing with scattered debris. The suction system is so powerful that even stubborn gravel and compacted soil can't hold their ground. It's got precision too, navigating curbs and tight edges without a hitch. The operator can control the intake with ease, adjusting suction levels based on the terrain. That means delicate areas like tree bases or curb gardens can be cleaned without any damage. Plus, the container fills in an organized way, so emptying it later is just as efficient as the collection. The whole system is sealed, so there's no dust storm while it runs. Even better, it's quieter than traditional road maintenance equipment, making it perfect for work in residential zones. No disruptive noise, no lingering mess. The filters inside also trap finer particles, keeping the air clean while handling the dirt below. In areas prone to flooding or erosion, this kind of regular roadside upkeep can actually help prevent bigger problems. Smooth drainage, clear visibility, and safer roads, just by keeping that soil in check. The machine doesn't just suck up what's on top either. It lifts layers of buildup that would otherwise go untouched. That makes it ideal after construction projects or during seasonal cleanups. Some versions even come with cameras and sensors, helping operators spot hidden debris under leaves or snow. It's modern, it's modular, and it's built to last. Maintenance is straightforward too, just routine filter checks and occasional hose inspections. Even the collected material can be sorted and reused in certain cases, like for filling uneven patches. It's sustainable engineering with a clear purpose. Watching it work is like watching a giant tongue sweep the street clean. There's a weirdly satisfying rhythm to the entire operation. From curbs to shoulders, it leaves behind a surface that's practically spotless. And it does it all without requiring a full crew. It's a one-operator powerhouse that changes the way basic maintenance gets done. Cities that invest in these machines are investing in smoother traffic, longer-lasting roads, and cleaner neighborhoods. It's hard to believe how much difference one vacuum on wheels can make. But once it's been through, you can absolutely see it. And the best part? It's just one of dozens of machines quietly revolutionizing how the world runs behind the scenes. Machines like these are transforming the way things are made, moved, cleaned, and constructed. Each one is a masterpiece of engineering built for speed, accuracy, and brute efficiency. Whether it's wrapping tires or lifting entire trees, what once took hours of human labor now takes seconds, flawlessly. Manufacturing isn't just about heavy metal and loud noises anymore. It's about precision, automation, and innovation that borders on art. If this level of precision and power blew your mind, there's plenty more where that came from. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a moment of mechanical mastery.